Alright, if you've ever looked around and thought, wow, AI is moving so fast, how do I actually use it to make money? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you something that can completely change the way you build your online business, the Easy AI Lead Magnet Creator with PLR rights. And more importantly, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create digital downloads that people actually want in minutes. Let's be real. Growing an online business isn't easy. You need leads, you need subscribers, and you need digital products that people see as valuable. But here's the catch. Creating those assets usually takes time, effort, and sometimes even technical skills. That's where most people get stuck. But imagine if you could skip all the hard work, paste a single super prompt into ChatGPT, answer a few simple questions, and instantly get a polished digital download ready to use, sell, or give away. That's exactly what Easy AI Lead Magnet Creator does. So, what's a lead magnet? It's a digital product you give away in exchange for someone's email address, subscription, or engagement. Think checklists, cheat sheets, mini ebooks, quizzes, workbooks, resource toolkits, even email sequences. These are the kinds of assets that build trust, grow your list, and position you as an authority. And here's the kicker. Because these are digital products, you don't just have to give them away, you can sell them. People perceive huge value in these downloads, and with the Easy AI Lead Magnet Creator, you can generate them in minutes. Here's how simple it is. Open ChatGPT. Paste in the Easy AI Lead Magnet Creator super prompt. Answer a few quick questions about your niche or topic. Watch as ChatGPT produces a complete, professional digital asset. No tech skills, no design headaches, no writing from scratch, just copy, paste, and done. Now, let's talk about how you can actually make money with this. Build your own list. Use these lead magnets to attract subscribers and grow your audience. Sell as a service, create digital assets for small businesses. Imagine charging $100 to $200 per month per client. 10 clients and you're at $2,000 a month for work that takes minutes. Resell the system itself, because this comes with PLR rights. You can rebrand, rename, and resell the entire package as your own product. Keep 100% of the profits, forever. Boost affiliate promotions. Create custom bonuses for products you promote. This makes your offers stand out and helps you close more sales. That's 4 different income streams from one tool. Powerful, right? Now, here's something important. The price of Easy AI Lead Magnet Creator starts extremely low, but it increases with every single sale. That means the longer you wait, the more you'll pay. If you know this is for you, lock it in now to guarantee the best price. And don't worry if you're brand new. You don't need any prior experience, technical knowledge, or fancy software. If you can copy and paste, you can use this. It's literally that simple. This is your shortcut to creating professional digital downloads that people want without the stress, without the overwhelm, and without wasting weeks trying to figure it out yourself. So, if you've been wondering whether it's too late to make money with AI, the answer is no. You're right on time. And if you've been wondering whether it's possible, the answer is absolutely yes. The Easy AI Lead Magnet Creator gives you the tools, the rights, and the opportunities to start building assets, growing your list, serving clients, and making sales today. Go ahead, click the link below, lock in the best price, and start creating digital downloads that people actually want. This is your chance to finally get that breakthrough. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to take action. Let's make it happen.